Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your NAT type from strict to open for a better gaming experience. The first thing you should do is enable UPnP on your router. UPnP stands for Universal Plug and Play, and it allows your router to automatically open the network ports that many online games and gaming services need. To do this, open any web browser on a device that is connected to your home network. In the address bar, type your router's gateway IP address. This is usually something like 192.168.1.1 or something similar. You can find it by using the ipconfig command in CMD. Once you are logged in, look for the router settings. Depending on your router brand, you may find the UPnP option under Advanced Network, LAN, NAT Forwarding, or Security Settings. When you find the UPnP setting, turn it on and save the changes. After that, restart your router by turning it off for about 30 seconds and then turning it back on. Once the router is fully connected to the internet, restart your PC or gaming console as well. That's it. Thanks for watching.